Hey, what's up? I'm Eli. I am 18. This is what I'm doing for my skin routine. I didn't even practice that. Look at me go. This is literally the fastest video I've ever done, and I still can't speak. Like, you would think I'd be able to accumulate and formulate, sorry. Exactly, my case in point. I can't formulate words to save my life right now. Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi, and welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering, Eli, why are you not wearing any makeup? Well, I'll tell you. Today, I am showing you my skincare routine. It's updated from like maybe a month ago, so we're just new with all of these products, but they've been working for my skin really well, and I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing, what I've learned, kind of show you what I use for my dry, desert-looking skin. All products on my channel, you guessed it, are cruelty-free. That was so stupid. I thought it looked way better in my head. I don't know why I did that. Let's get into the song. Cruelty-free or it's not for me. If you want to learn about my skincare routine and maybe how you can apply it to yours, then keep on watching. You guys see the spray tan? It's pretty bad. Wait, but then it gets worse. Ready? I know. I think we were successful. Well, besides my hands. That was a mistake. How do people do that? Anyway, we're not talking about my bad spray tan. We're talking about my skincare routine. So before I honestly talk about my, like, external topical care that I do on my skin, I want to talk about what I do, like, internally. So I'm taking the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster pills, and they're just, like, herbal supplements, and they have, like, a bunch of really great ingredients in them, like vitamin D, vitamin B, rosehip powder, grapeseed extract, kiwi itself. You know, obviously, I'm hoping there's kiwi in it, but it does say it there is. So Glam Life Guru on YouTube, she created these supplements. Her skin is actually perfect. I've been taking them for like 3-4 months, and I think it's made a huge difference in my skin, even though you can tell that there are some blemishes on my face. I've struggled with cystic acne my entire life, so it's way better than it was. I remember in middle school it was so bad. So it's definitely made a huge improvement from where it was. So I'm really proud about my skin, and Halo Beauty has been a huge part of that. This is a great product. I recommend it. It's $29.99, and it's helped me a lot. So just a suggestion for you, but this is what I've been doing every single day. So a lot of these products I've been using for just about a month now, because before I was using a lot of products that had phosphates, sulfates, especially fragrances. So I thought I was doing pretty well with my skincare routine, and then I watched Tati's video. I'll link Tati's video down below. She told me about not using fragrances in your routine and how it completely changed her skin. And I was like, oh, maybe I should try that, because my skin wasn't getting any better, and there was a lot of texture still. It was, it still is, but it was very irritated a lot and inflamed. So I was kind of wondering what that was. So I'm pretty sure that was from the fragrances and all the products that I used. A lot of Lush products actually do have fragrances in them. So the Grease Lightning I used like religiously for 4 years. I can't use that anymore, and it has like, it literally says fragrance as an ingredient. I took out all the fragrances from my skincare routine, and I think it's really made an impact on my skin. I think the texture level's gone down. I think my skin's been clearing up. There's been less irritation. So I really think that Tati helped me with that. You're gonna notice that all the products that I do mention today are a little bougie. They're a little expensive. You're gonna have to understand that, like, skincare is an investment. You know, it's not something that you can throw together at the drugstore. I wouldn't recommend really like any products that are skincare routine on the drugstore, because when you want to keep that price so low, they're gonna cut corners on a lot of the ingredients that are in the products, and they're gonna substitute them with synthetic products that are definitely not good for your skin. So I don't have anything that you can pick up at the drugstore, only because I don't want to cut corners. My skin is probably the most important part of my makeup routine, so I want to make sure that my skin looks as good as it can. given that I have a lot of hormonal acne. I truly believe that, you know, for makeup, you can spend $5 on a foundation, $6 on a concealer, and you can cut corners like that because it's on top of your makeup. It's on top of your skin. It's not like supposed to sink in. It's supposed to be a boundary. It's makeup, you know? But for skincare, I don't want to cut corners, and I don't think you should cut corners either. So I really think that you should be investing in yourself and invest in the skincare products because they're super important. A lot of people expect instant results or a week results or 2-week results, but really it takes about 4 to 5 weeks for you to get end results in general with your skin. So definitely don't judge a product based on a 1 or 2 day wear. Just make sure that you've been using the product for 30 days in order to get a real accurate result. That being said, let's get into my skincare routine. So every day I wash my face with this foaming vitamin C cleanser by OFRA Cosmetics. It's $20, I think, and it really helps to remove all my impurities. And this smells like heaven, like actual heaven. Like, oh my gosh. It literally smells like you're putting an orange Skittle all over your face. So this is my like 3rd bottle. After I go in with cleanser, I use the Balancing Force Oil Control Toner by Olehenriksen. And oh my gosh, I love this product. Desi Perkins actually recommended this product, and I can't stop using it. I use it twice a day, and it smells like minty, like tea tree oil. It's not strong at all, but it's so good. So just about every day I wear makeup, and I wear it about 10 to like 20 hours a day. That's a wide range, I know, but I wear it for a very long time because I do it in the morning, and then I don't take it off until right before I go to bed. So it's been on for a while. So I wipe off my makeup using a makeup wipe, and then I use a facial cleanser, and then when I'm done with that, I use a cotton round and I put some toner on it, and you would not believe how much makeup is left over. Like after those 2 steps of taking off my makeup, I'd think that it'd be done, but after I use a toner, oh my gosh, you have no idea. Like it's, what? And I think that's been really changing my skin because I've been accidentally leaving makeup on my skin for all this time. Sephora, tell me how much this costs. Okay, so this product retails for $26. It's a little hefty, I do have to say, but it has all these yummy ingredients in it. It has salicylic acid, so it helps with acne. It helps clear your skin. This is what I use, so yeah. Moving on. After I use my toner, I use my serum. So I use the C Firma Day Serum, and at night I use my B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So these actually come in a little like mini box. This little bundle retails for $23. They have like 8 milliliters of product in both. So each, I guess, would be $11.50. Did I do the math right? I actually got this recommendation from Ryan B. Potter. I'll link that video also down below. But he uses the C Firma Day Serum because it's vitamin C. And vitamin C is really good for skin, especially acne-prone skin. This product itself, in the full-size version, is $80. And I was like, wow, that's hefty. So if you want to just try it out, this little bundle is really good. I did the math, which is weird. I never do math. But I did the math, and you get more bang for your buck when you actually buy the minis than if you buy the full-size product. I think if you buy 4 of these, you already saved money. I don't know how many times you want to buy this, but this is like my 8th time buying this, like seriously. So I saved so much money buying the mini ones, which I know is weird to say, but I wish that you could get a bigger deal on the bigger one because I'd rather spend more money on that one. But I mean, I kind of cheated the system and it works for me. So this is a great bundle. It's by Drunk Elephant and I love their products. So yeah, that's the tea on that. After I go in with my serums, I go in with my sunscreen. That SPF, you know, you gotta get it. You know. My skin burns up really easily. It doesn't tan. So, I mean, hence the really bad fake tan. But anyway, I don't tan. So I have to make sure that I use SPF every day. So I don't do that, especially underneath my skin. I like to show off my makeup in golden hour, but that's really literally like the sun rays like in my face, so it's not great for your skin, but I want to make sure to protect my face at all times. I use the Josie Maran sunscreen. It's very good. It also has a moisturizer in it, so it's very moisturizing. I actually tried using this alone without a moisturizer, and since my skin is super dry, I can't get away with it, but maybe you can. It's a really thick product, so I would just consider it a sunscreen, but it has argan oil in it. It has a lot of good juicy ingredients for sunscreen. It has 47 SPF, so that's pretty good, I do have to say. This product retails for $34. Honestly, you could literally just use sunscreen from the drugstore. I bought this to make it a 2-in-1, and I realized that I needed a moisturizer after that, so I ended up using this in my skincare routine. If you put on sunscreen before you do your makeup, it does the same thing. So this guy, I've been doing my research heavily on moisturizers because I use Cosmetic Lad by Lush, which was a bad idea because it has a lot of fragrance in it, but I used that for years, and it moisturized the heck out of my skin, and it was amazing. It was creamy, it was beautiful, and to find a moisturizer on the market that was fragrance-free, that was cruelty-free, you know, clean in general, it was impossible. Like, literally impossible. I did so much research, and I came down to this guy. It's by Biossance, or Biossance. I should probably know the name, but I don't. It's the Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. And ow! Oh my gosh! I just dropped it on my foot and it hurts. Oh, that was a bad idea. Oh god, ow, that hurt. So obviously you can tell by my pain that this is a hefty product. It feels heavy, it feels luxurious, and ow! I can't catch either. I keep hurting myself. I think this was $58, which is, wow, that's expensive. It's really hard to find a moisturizer for dry skin, for textured skin, that's cruelty-free, that's clean, that's fragrance-free. All these products that they're used are plant-derived, and they're very natural, so I like that, knowing that I'm putting that on my skin. This one really does do the job, so I really enjoy this moisturizer, and so I've been using it every day. So yeah. So after my moisturizer, I go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. You already know about this product. I talk about it every day, all the time. You would think I'd be sponsored, honestly. This Tatcha Silk Canvas, I've been obsessed with since I've bought it. It is like a primer, but I put it on and it helps smooth the crap out of my skin. This is like my third one, and I already hit pan, like, pretty hard. So I use this every day, and it's so good. It's so good. It's $52, so yeah, it's expensive. Actually, they started making this product in a mini size. I think they sell the mini version at Sephora now, so if you want to try like a version of this, but it's too expensive for you, you can try the $20 one and test it out for yourself, see what it is. If you don't even want to spend $20, you could also get a sample that's free. So, also, most of these products are found at Sephora or OFRA.com. I'll let you know in the description box where I found each product. That way you don't have any issues finding it. These are really good, so I like them. Yeah. At night, I put a drying lotion on all my blemishes, and this product has been really helping clear it up, get rid of it, minimize it. I highly recommend this product. I've been using this for maybe 6 months now, and this is my second bottle. It's from OFRA Cosmetics. It's their drying lotion. I know Mario Badescu does one too. I think they're around the same price anyway. I think this one's better, but it does an amazing job at fighting my acne, especially when I have a lot of it. So it's really great. It's a little drying, especially for dry skin, like me. But after I put on my moisturizer, I just put it in those places where I have blemishes. And if they're healing, then I'll use Neosporin. But if I know that they're gonna pop up or I know something's gonna happen, I use this lotion and it's incredible. So I think it's like $20, but I use the nude version. There's multiple versions. I don't know why I got nude. I think I was expecting to use it during the day. I wouldn't use this during the day. I mean, unless you want to walk around with spots on your face, but I highly recommend this product. And yeah, so that's what I use at night. So that completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit more about skincare and what I do for my dry skin. If you have any questions, DM me, let me know in the comments. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. I really want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be beautiful, be amazing, love yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.